queen in there. This one. Somewhere in here. Everybody else up here. Went to Wabash and got some deep frames, so all the rest of the broods in the deep frames. Run around. Here she was in a circle. Queen's up here. Push you away for the millionth time. Come on. She's not there. Shoot, come on. You look down to here. And then I pull this net over. So they really know I mean business. And then, boy, they'll come down and come protect her. So I do a little of this. Everybody gets upset because they know they're in a net. I can carry that one out and come back and pick this one up. All these silly girls should be down here by then. Yeah. Nobody's stinging me. They have to like me. Anyway, we're fixing them over.